All right, what's up, everybody? This is our second break of the day. This is going to be our 2021 Score Football Hobby one box break number 20. We do have two teams available if anybody wants to grab a team or two before the break starts. We have the Buffalo Bills for 12, and we have the Seattle Seahawks for 8. Bills for 12, Seattle for 8, and I'll do both for 17. Buffalo for 12, Seattle for 8, or both for 17. Here's our owner's list. Score Hobby Box one box break number 20. As you can see there, we have the Bills available, $12, and we have the Seattle Seahawks available, $8, or both for 17. If anyone is interested. Yeah, Michael, I'd say so. I'd say so too, Michael, yes. Here is our sealed box, Score Hobby. We should find 4 autographs in here, according to the box, on average. So the Bills and the Seahawks will be for sale until I show the first card of the break. Yeah, well, Michael, we'll see if we can continue that for you. I mean, I don't know if you watched yesterday, but this box has to be better than yesterday's box. Has to be. Yesterday was a disaster. So this box has to be better than yesterday's box. Oh, well then you were lucky because yesterday's box was absolutely terrible. 2 of the 4 autographs were of players that weren't even drafted. I had to random them off because it was like the worst 2 cards in the set, and we got 2 of their autos in the same box. It should be illegal to produce a box that terrible. So hopefully this one's better. It's got to be. It literally has to be better. Alright, so I'll give it another minute to see if anybody wants Seattle or Buffalo. Buffalo 12, Seattle 8, or both for 17. Only the autos, Michael. If we hit an auto of an undrafted or a free agent, only of the autos. The other cards we usually just randomly insert in people's piles, so we only random the undrafted free agents if they're hits. Alright guys, so we're going to get started. Here we go. Good luck everybody. See what we got. Oh, we got our first auto already. Coming up here. Michael, maybe if, I don't know if anyone watching wants to help me. Some of the autos I might not know where they go. I'll find out when I do the recap or the sort and ship, but breaking live, I might not know where they go. Terrence Marshall goes to the Panthers. Devonta Smith. Our first auto. Ooh. Okay, so we got a gold. De'Ami Brown. Gold zone auto to 50. 32 of 50. Alright, Michael, where's this one go? De'Ami Brown. De'Ami Brown, gold zone auto. Washington. Alright, well that's Michael P. De'Ami Brown, gold zone to 50. Good start for Michael. He's got half the break, so I would assume that's going to happen a lot. There's a nice rookie. Devonta Smith. I want to say Philadelphia. Am I correct on that, Michael? Devonta Smith, Philadelphia Eagles. Yep, that's you also. I know. Antonio Gibson, second year. Julio Jones, now of the Tennessee Titans. We have a Zadarius Smith blue showcase, numbered to 100 for the Packers. Zadarius Smith blue showcase, numbered to 100 for the Packers. It's going to Hunter F. Hunter F. 40 of 100. 40 of 100 on the Zadarius Smith blue showcase. CD Lamb breakthrough insert. Jarrett Patterson. Touchdown celebrations, Tyreek Hill. And then we have our first fantasy stars. We're going to roll a dice at the end of the break to see who gets these, which teams I should say. So we'll put that right there. Usually we have about 4 to 6. 4 to 6 of those at the end of every break. We got a Jamar Chase here. That's going to the Bengals. Jameis Winston. See what he can do in New Orleans this year. Randy Moss, Kareem Hunt. We have a Joe Mixon scorecard. Breakthrough, Ronald Jones II. Celebration, A.J. Brown. Devontae Adams. And then we have our second autograph. Ramondre Stevenson. Ramondre Stevenson. I believe I know this one as well. I think Ramondre Stevenson is a New England Patriot. Ramondre Stevenson auto. I believe this is going to the Patriots. Thomas W. Ramondre Stevenson. All right, thank you, Michael. Yep, this is going to the Patriots. Thomas W. That's our second auto of the box. We should have two more in there somewhere. Hopefully one of them's a banger. Patrick Surtain II. Rashad Bateman for the Ravens. I do see something shiny in here. That might be good. Kind of see it there. Najee Harris. Pittsburgh Steelers. Michael P. Joe Burrow, second year. It's a cool one for the Bengals. Tom Brady, Buccaneers uniform. Let's see how far they can go again this year. So we have another gold zone here. Gold zone rookie, Puka Williams Jr. Puka Williams Jr. out of Kansas. Puka Williams Jr. gold zone rookie. That's going to be 16 of 50. 16 of 50 on the Puka Williams Jr. gold zone rookie. Celebrations, Brandon Ayuk. Hot rookies, Kyle Trask. Here's another one of our Fantasy Stars cards we'll do at the end. Ooh, there we go. Trevor Lawrence. Jacksonville Jaguars. Jags are going to Thomas W. Nice Lawrence. And then always behind Lawrence is a Travis Etienne. Couple of Clemson Tigers going to the same team. Kind of cool. Both got drafted by the Jags. Went to college together, and now they're going to play in the pros together. It's pretty cool. Deion Sanders. I think we have our third auto here. Brett Favre. Mark Brunell scorecard. Josh Jacobs breakthrough. Justin Fields, that's going to go to the Bears. All right, Michael. I'll double check that. If he's undrafted, we'll do another random for that card. Justin Fields for the Bears. Michael P. Another Fantasy Stars. Oh, we got a veteran auto here. Veteran auto for the Dolphins. Kyle Van Noy. Kyle Van Noy, veteran auto for the Miami Dolphins. Richard T. Kyle Van Noy. Here we go. We got a couple Justin Fields here. They always come back to back. We got Justin Fields from Ohio State. So here's the Ohio State Justin Fields. And then we have the Georgia Bulldogs Justin Fields. Nothing crazy. You remember how to set up the computer for the? You remember how to get to it? If not, let me do it for you real quick. That Puka Williams right there? Tell me the number on the back of it.
378.
All right. Michael, I'm going to check right now on that Puka Williams while I got this thing open here. Just so we can see if he got drafted or not. $378?
Yeah.
Puka Williams is the Bengals. Got it? All right, thanks. Yeah, it looks like Puka Williams is going to go to the Bengals. That is Hunter F. Yeah, we use the checklist. I'll give you the website here in a second what we use so you can follow along if you want. So we go to groupbreakchecklist.com. So let me put that in the chat for you. So Michael, this is where we always look up our checklists for the group breaks to see if people are drafted or if they're on teams or not. So what you do is you click on that, and then you look up the break. So this would be the 2021 score break, and then you would look up the checklist based off the group breakers checklist, and then you'll be able to see which players go where. So that's what we usually use when we do our sort and ship, just so we know which players got drafted or assigned where. problem, man. That way we always make sure we get everybody in the teams that they're supposed to be, so that everybody gets all the cards they're supposed to have. And then we just use one checklist for everything so we don't mess anything up. Doesn't get mixed up, stuff like that. Ooh, look at this. Look at this card. End Zone. Von Miller End Zone parallel numbered to 6. Holy cow. Super low numbered card here for Denver. Hunter F. Check this out, Hunter. Von Miller End Zone. 5 of 6 on the Von Miller. 5 of 6 Von Miller End Zone parallel for Denver. Hunter F. Man, that's a nice one. There's a Jamar Chase for the Bengals. We got a Hot Rookies Trey Lance for the 49ers. Celebrations, James Washington. There's a Tyreek Hill, all hands team. Here is another Trey Lance. This is the base rookie this time. 49ers are Rick M. Rick M has the 49ers. Trey Lance. Oh, that stinks. Yeah, that's why we always use that site, because very easy to just type the number of the back of the card in there, and then it tells you which team it's supposed to go to. Oh no. We got Panini points, guys. 250 Panini points, so that's our 4th auto right there. So we'll have to random those off at the end. I don't know. We'll see how you guys feel. Some people are starting to like the Panini points again. Some people would rather have the live autos, but we're going to have to random those off. Yeah, that's very, very honest of you, Michael. I usually do the same thing. If I'm in a break and I get a card that's not mine, I'll always send it back. Unfortunately, not everybody's like that, but very noble of you. I respect that. Ryan Tannehill celebrations. There's a Mac Jones Hot Rookies. This is going to the Patriots. New England Patriots. Thomas W. Another Fantasy Stars. Chad Johnson, CeeDee Lamb, 2nd year. Baker Mayfield, Terry Bradshaw. We have a Nick Bolton scorecard rookie. Nick Bolton. Justin Jefferson all hands team. Roquan Smith breakthrough. Travis Etienne draft insert. Another Fantasy Stars card. Nico Collins. Peyton Ramsey. Hunter Long. There's a Zach Wilson for the Jets. Jets are going out to Michael P. There you go, Michael. There's a Zach Wilson. Jalen Hurts, second year. Barry Sanders. Jalen Smith, scorecard. Nico Collins, Henry Ruggs III. Tua, celebrations. Here's a cool card here. Tom Brady, one of his touchdown passes. 397 touchdown pass. That's for the Patriots. Thomas W. Jabril Cox, Carlin Basham, Kyle Trask, Puka Williams, Tom Brady, Mike Gesicki, Saquon Barkley, Minka Fitzpatrick. We have a showcase Frank Gore, numbered to 100 for the Jets. Frank Gore showcase, numbered to 100 for the Jets. Michael P. That is numbered 65 of 100. 65 of 100 on the Frank Gore showcase blue. Another Fantasy Stars. Baker Mayfield celebrations. There's a hot rookie Zach Wilson insert for the Jets and Michael. All hands team, Stephon Diggs. Mac Jones for the Patriots. Hey, Michael P. Mac Jones, Patriots. Michael P., I got an Ian book here. Do you want me to sleeve that up? Top load that Ian book? I'll leave it up to you. I'll put it to the side. Let me know in chat if you want me to sleeve and top load that Ian book. For the Saints. Richard Sherman, Nelson Aguilar, Nick Bosa, and Austin Eckler. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the Panini points first. We will randomize the Panini points. I've got everything set up here. So there's our random.org dice roller. Alright, no problem. No problem. So there's our dice roller and there's our teams. We've got Washington all the way up to Arizona. So we're going to roll the dice one time to see how many times we're going to random. So we've got 8 times on the dice. So we're going to randomize this list 8 times to see who's going to get those points. Good luck, guys. Here's number 1. 32 teams here represented on the top here. I'm going to sleeve that up.
Huh?
I'm going to sleeve that on so you can leave that one.
Oh.
Number 2, 3, 4. My camera is out of focus, so I'll show you guys number 4 here. This is number 5. And what was it, 8? Yeah, number 8. So here is 6, 7, and this is going to be the 8th and final time. As you can see down here, we've rolled it 7 times already. So whoever's on the top at the end of this roll is going to win those 250 points. Good luck, guys. Number 8, the Carolina Panthers. The Carolina Panthers are going to be Rupert K. Rupert K. Congratulations, Rupert K. Rupert K has the Carolina Panthers. Let me write that down. Rupert K is going to win those Panini points with the Carolina Panthers spot. Congratulations. So, Rupert K, this is going to be going in your package with your cards. So congratulations, Rupert. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to randomize or roll a dice to see what we have here. 6. So we have 6 Fantasy Stars cards. The way we're going to do this is we're going to roll a dice, 6-sided regular dice. 1 and 2 are going to be those teams on the left. 3 and 4 are going to be the teams in the middle. 5 and 6 are going to be the teams on the right. Here's our dice. Regular dice, that's the 1. So I'm going to roll this 1 time. Let me roll it on the camera. There we go. So we've got a 3. Number 3 is going to be all the teams in the middle. So we got the Pittsburgh Steelers. We've got the there we go. Chargers. Packers. Titans. Bills. And the Packers. So all those teams are going to win those inserts. So let's go ahead and do a recap for the break. Now that we got all that stuff taken care of. So as we already showed, one of our autos was the Panini points. That was random off, and that was won by the Carolina Panthers. So Rupert K, those are going to you. Congrats. Then we had an Ian Book rookie for the Saints and Michael P. We had a Mac Jones rookie for the Patriots, Thomas W. Zach Wilson hot rookies insert, that's going to the Jets and Michael P. Frank Gore showcase blue number to 100 for the Jets and Michael P. You're welcome, Michael. Congrats, man. Zach Wilson base rookie for the Jets, Michael P. Mac Jones hot rookies for the Patriots, Thomas W. Trey Lance base rookie for the 49ers and Rick M. There's a Trey Lance hot rookies insert, 49ers, Rick M. Here's a Von Miller end zone 5 of 6. 5 of 6 end zone parallel for the Broncos, Hunter F. Puka Williams Jr. gold zone auto or gold zone rookie for the Bengals, Hunter F. Not 1 but 2 Justin Fields. And a Justin Fields draft. All 3 of those Justin Fields are going to go to the Bears, Michael P. Kyle Van Noy auto for the Miami Dolphins, Richard T. Trevor Lawrence base rookie for the Jags. It's going to Thomas W. Najee Harris, it's going to the Pittsburgh Steelers, Michael P. Ramondre Stevenson, auto rookie for the Patriots, Thomas W. Zadarius Smith, showcase blue, numbered to 100 for the Packers, Hunter F. Devonta Smith for the Eagles, base rookie, that's going to Michael P. And then we had a Dami Brown, rookie auto. I forget what team this is going to, but I think it was Michael. I think it was Washington. Yeah, Washington and Michael P. Yep. So that's going to do it for the score break, guys. Appreciate each and every one of you that were watching, that were participated in the break. Special thanks to Michael for being in chat and helping me with those teams. And that's going to do it for this one, guys. So coming up next, we have our TriStar jersey break. Plenty of teams left for that one. So if you want to come and hang out and watch that one, we'd love to have you. I'm going to upload this video, and I'll be right back with you guys in about 5 minutes. So until then, have a great rest of your day, guys. Stay safe. We'll talk to you later.